Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm The Natural One and this is another corn update video. You guys, my corn is doing so well and I'm excited. I planted 5 seeds and all 5 decided to germinate. There's the little guy right over there. You see him? Yeah, he late to the party, but he's here nonetheless. So I'm excited about that. And I think my only issue is that I planted the corn close together. I shouldn't spread them out some more. But also, too, I'm going to take in consideration when I'm watering, the seeds might move. But nonetheless, they're here, okay? And so I'm not going to complain. But something's been eating my cucumber. Look at that, guys. So I don't know. What is that? I'm hoping the wind was just harsh and just ripped it off, but I doubt it. But anyway, I'm so happy that I'm having success so far with the cucumbers because I wasn't having success before. So I planted 4 directly into the dirt, and so yeah, so I'm having success. So I'm excited about that. For more videos, click here and please subscribe, like, and comment down below and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out.